Only 1 in 100 can name all these exotic animals. Can you? What is the common name of this aquatic creature? Identify this striped mammal from Central Africa. What is the common name of this desert fox known for its large ears? Can you name this large, semi-aquatic rodent? What is this famously slow-moving mammal? Identify this furry creature, often mistaken for a raccoon or fox. What is the common name of this scaly mammal? Identify this small primate known for its enormous eyes. What is this unique egg-laying mammal from Australia? Can you name this mammal with a leathery armor shell?